Welcome to DAV Mall Public School e-learning classes. Standard 10, Subject Science. Chapter Carbon and its compound. Food, clothes, medicines, book and many of the things are all based on versatile element carbon. In addition, all living structures are carbon based. The amount of carbon present in the earth crust and in the atmosphere is quite less. The earth crust has only 0.02% carbon in the form of minerals like carbonate, hydrogen carbonate, coal and petroleum. The amount has the atmosphere has 0.03% of carbon dioxide. In spite of all this small amount of carbon available in the nature, the importance of carbon seems to be immense. The reactivity of element is explained as their tendency to gain or attain a completely filled outer shell, that is, attain noble gas configuration. Electrons forming ionic compound achieve this by either gaining or losing electron from the outer shell. In case of carbon, it has 4 electrons in its outermost shell. The atomic number of carbon is 6. Its electronic configuration is 2, 4. Means first cell contains 2 electrons and the second cell contains 4 electrons. So it has 4 valence electrons, that is 4 electrons in the outermost shell which can take part in reaction. Now, since carbon has 4 electrons in its outermost shell and it need to gain or lose 4 electrons to attain the noble gas configuration. If carbon gain 4 electron forming carbon 4 negative anion, then it will be difficult for the nucleus with 6 protons to hold on 10 electrons, that is 4 extra electrons. If it lose 4 electrons and form carbon 4 plus cation, it would require large amount of energy to remove 4 electrons, leaving behind a carbon cation with 6 protons in its nucleus, holding on to just 2 electrons. So, carbon overcome this problem by sharing its valence electron with other atom of carbon or with other atom of other element. Another just not just carbon but many other elements form molecule by sharing electron in this manner. The shared electron belongs to the outer shell of both the atoms and lead to both atoms attain the noble gas configuration. This sharing of electron to attain noble gas configuration is called as covalent bond. So covalent bonds are formed by the sharing of electron between two atoms so that both can achieve a completely filled outermost shell. We can say that covalent bond is chemical bond formed by the sharing of electrons between atoms. Sharing of one pair of electron result in the formation of single covalent bond. Sharing of two pair of electron result in formation of double covalent bond, and sharing of three pair of electron result in the formation of triple covalent bond. Let us see some examples. Formation of single covalent bond in hydrogen molecule. The atomic number of hydrogen is 1. Its electronic configuration is 1. It has only one electron in one first cell, and that is it have only one shell. It need one electron more to attain stability or to attain the electronic configuration of nearest noble gas helium, which has two electrons in its K shell. So, two hydrogen atoms share one pair of electrons, resulting in the formation of single covalent bond in hydrogen molecule. Two hydrogen molecules with one electron each combine together to form a hydrogen molecule. Formation of double bond in oxygen molecule. The atomic number of oxygen is 8. Its electronic configuration is 2 6. It has 6 valence electrons, 6 electrons in outermost shell. To attain stability, it need 2 more electrons in outermost shell. So, two oxygen atom share two oxygen atom with 6 electrons mutually share 2 electrons, resulting in the formation of double covalent bond in oxygen molecule. Formation of triple covalent bond in nitrogen molecule. And 2. The atomic number of nitrogen is 7. Its electronic configuration is 2 5. That is, valence electron or valence cell or outermost cell contain 5 electrons. It need 3 more electrons to attain stability. Two nitrogen atom with 5 electron in its valence cell share 3 pair of electrons, resulting in the formation of triple covalent bond in nitrogen molecule. Versatile nature of carbon. The number of carbon compounds whose formula are known to chemists were recently estimated to be about 3 million. This outnumber by a large margin of compound formed by all the other elements put together. The nature of covalent bond enable carbon to form large number of compound. Carbon has a unique ability to form bond with other atoms of carbon, give rise to large molecule. This property is called as catenation. These compounds may have long chain of carbon, branch chain of carbon, or even atoms arranged in rings. Carbon atoms may be linked by single bond, double bond, or triple bond. Compound of carbon which are linked by only single bond between the carbon atom are called saturated compound. Compound of carbon having double or triple bond between the carbon atom are called as unsaturated compound. Tetravalent nature. Since carbon has a valency of 4, it is capable of bonding with 4 other atoms of carbon or atom of some other element. Compound of carbon are formed with oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, sulfur, chlorine and many other elements, giving rise to compound with specific properties which depend on the elements other than carbon present in the molecule. Bonds that carbon form with most other elements are very strong, making these compounds exceptionally stable. One reason for the formation of strong bonds by carbon is its small size. Small size enables the nucleus to hold on to the shared pair of electrons strongly. The bond formed by element having larger atom are much weaker. Hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbons are compound of hydrogen and carbon, or we can say that hydrocarbons are compound containing carbon and hydrogen atoms. In addition to hydrogen and carbon, some other atoms may also be present like nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur, etc. Hydrocarbon may be saturated or unsaturated. Saturated hydrocarbons are those which have all single covalent bond between the carbon atom, or we can say that saturated hydrocarbons having all single covalent bond between the carbon atoms. Example, alkanes. Alkanes have all single covalent bond between the carbon atoms, like methane. In methane, carbon is formed 4 covalent bond with 4 hydrogen atoms. Ethane. In ethane, carbon form covalent bond with 6 different hydrogen atom. 2 carbon atom form 6 covalent bond with 6 different hydrogen atom, and there is one covalent bond between the 2 carbon atoms. Unsaturated hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbons having double or triple bond between the 2 carbon atoms. Such hydrocarbons are called as unsaturated hydrocarbons. Example, alkane and alkynes. Alkanes have a double covalent bond between 2 carbon atoms, and their names end with ene. Ene is prefix. Ethane. C2H4. In this, 2 carbon atoms have double covalent bond. Propene. In propene, one of the first and second carbon atoms have double covalent bond. Alkyne. Alkynes have a triple covalent bond between the 2 carbon atoms, and their name end with YENE, that is prefix added to their name. Example, ethene. C2H2. 2 carbon atoms have triple bond. Propyne. First and second carbon atom have 3 covalent bond. Homologous series. Homologous series is a group of carbon compound having similar structure and similar chemical properties. Homologous series is a group of carbon compound having similar structures and similar chemical properties, and whose successive members differ by a CH2 group. Examples, alkane is a homologous series, alkene is a homologous series, alkyne, etc. Alkene. Alkene have general molecular formula CnH2n plus 2. Their name end with ene prefix, and the members are methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane, and so on. If we see their molecular formula, methane is CH4, ethane is C2H6. If we see the difference between methane and ethane, we will find methane and ethane differ by CH2 group. Similarly, if we compare ethane and propane also differ by 1 carbon and 2 hydrogen atom, that is CH2 group, and so on. Alkene have general molecular formula CnH2n. Their name ends with prefix ene and the member are ethene, propene, butene. If we compare the chemical formula of ethene and propene C2H4 and C3H6, we will find that propene and ethene differ by only one carbon and two hydrogen atom, that is CH2 group. Propene have one carbon atom and two hydrogen atom more than ethene. Similarly, if we compare propene and butene, butene have one carbon and two hydrogen atom more than propene, and so on. Alkyne have general molecular formula CnH2n-2. Their name end with prefix YNE and the member are as follows: ethyne, propyne and butyne. Here also, if the successive member differ by only one carbon and two hydrogen atom. That's all in this video. Thank you.